student. In the chapter Animals Living and Surviving, we are studying about some adaptation feature of animals. And for that, first we have divided the animals into 5 main categories according to their habitat. Terrestrial animal, aquatic animal, amphibians, aerial animals and arboreal animals. So, today we are going to discuss about the adaptation feature of aquatic animal. Aquatic, aqua means water. Okay. So, aquatic animals are the animals that live in water. Okay. The animals which live in water are called aquatic animal. So, in your mind it will come that who are the aquatic animal? Fish. Generally all the fish used to live in a water now. But only fish is not living in water. Some insects is also living in water. Okay, water insects. Some snakes also used to live in water. Even some mammals also used to live in water. We have already discussed now that whale is a mammals. Okay, whale and dolphin are the mammals. We can say aquatic mammals because they live in a water. So, not only fish is living in water, other animals is also living in water. For example, octopus, then turtle, crab, okay, and some aquatic snakes, aquatic mammals, okay. So, what are the adaptation feature of these animals in general we will study today. First of all, these animals having boat-shaped bodies, okay. These animal is having boat-shaped body because they have to cut the water and they have to swim. So that is boat-shaped bodies. The body is like this, tapering at the both end. Okay, these are the tapering point, ending at the both end. That is only boat-shaped body. Otherwise, we are saying streamlined body also. Okay, this type of body shape we used to call streamlined body shape. Okay. Second feature that they are having gills to breathe. They have to breathe the oxygen which is mixed in a water now. So for this they are having special things that is known as gills. With the help of gills only they breathe. Okay. But the mammals they are not having gills like that whale and dolphin, they are not having gills. Then what they used to do, you can see dolphin are jumping out of the water after every minute. You enjoy this now when you go somewhere, we want to see the dolphins activity. They used to come out like this. Here is the water, they used to jump. Okay, dolphin, you can see they are jumping out of the water. Why they are jumping out of the water? Only for breathing, because they are mammals. They breathe through the lungs. They don't have gills, so they come out of the water, take the oxygen and then go into the water. Okay. Whales also used to come to the surface of the water to breathe. But fish, they are having gills. With the help of gills only they used to breathe. Some amphibians like frog, with the help of moist skin they used to breathe. And the baby frog, tadpole, they are having gills. Okay. Now third feature, they have fins. You can see that fish, they are having fins to swim in water. And flippers also they are having. You have seen turtle. Turtle, they don't have fins but they are having flippers. With the help of flippers they used to swim in water. Okay. So these animals are having fins and flippers. Now their bodies are covered with scales. You have seen the body of the fish. You can see the body of the fish. There is something like this. Okay. This is only scales. Their body is covered with the scales to prevent their body from water, because they have to live in water all time now. So these scales prevent their body from water, okay, to entering inside. So these are the adaptation feature of the aquatic animal in general. First of all, they have boat-shaped bodies. They have gills to breathe. Second, Third, they have fins or flipper to swim. Fourth, their body is covered with scales. So, and we love aquatic animals. Thank you, children.